జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సీతమ్మ క్రయింగ్ ఎ లాట్, సీతమ్మ హగ్గింగ్ Ramachandra Swami very tightly and very pityingly. She is crying and crying, asking Rama to take her along with him into forest. Then Sri Ramachandra Swami also tam parishvajya bahubhyam, with his beautiful divine hands Ramachandra Swami has taken Sithamma very close, and also he is hugging Sithamma and consoling Sithamma and telling Sita that, "Oh Sita, I am not scared of anyone. You have said that because I am scared of someone, that is why I am not taking you into Aranyam. No, not at all. As and how Narayana is not scared of anyone, I am also not at all scared of anyone, Sita. Why I am telling you not to come along with me is only because I do not want you to face any kind of troubles, pains, sufferings. That is why I am saying no. But now I understand your opinion. I understand that you are more like enjoying in forest. So then you please come along with me wherever you are. I feel that is my heaven. So let both of us go into Aranyavasam." Ramachandra Swami telling Sithamma that, "Come on, get ready, Sita. Give away all the things that you have. Give away all the belongings of yourself to everyone. Give dakshina to all the great acharyas, and give food to the people who has no food. Give all the things away to the needy people." When Rama said like that, Sithamma with so much of happiness started giving all the valuables, belongings to each and everyone who are in need of that. While Sithamma crying and while Sithamma requesting Ramachandra Swami for so long, Lakshmana was there right next to them. Lakshmana was noticing everything, and now Lakshmana started thinking that Sithamma herself had to request for so long to Ramachandra Swami to convince him to take her into Aranyam. Then what about me? Definitely Rama would say that, "No, not at all. Lakshmana, you cannot come with me." With that kind of fear, Lakshmana also feeling that he cannot bear the separation from Rama, he immediately, suddenly, spontaneously went and held Rama's feet very tightly. Sithamma is there right next to Rama. Lakshmana holding Rama's feet tightly and saying that, "Rama, nadeva lokakramanam namaratvam aham vrune." Rama, if you are not there, I don't care Paramapadam. If you are not there, if I do not have a chance to serve you, I don't enjoy even the self-realization, Brahmanandam also I don't care. Oh Rama, if I have no opportunity to do your seva, I don't care even if all the worlds are under my custody and I can enjoy anything. No, I don't need that kind of happiness. Oh Rama, please take me also along with you. Like that, Lakshmana spontaneously started crying with a fear that Rama would say no. Then Rama started saying no. Then Lakshmana started asking, "Why are you asking me to stay here? Did I do anything wrong, Rama?" Like that, Lakshmana started asking so many questions. Then Rama says, "Lakshmana, you are my second life. You are my pranam. You are no different than me. Oh Lakshmana, if you also come along with me, who is here to take care of mothers Sumitra and Kausalya? I know that our father Dasharatha is completely under influence of Kaikeyi, who is there to take care of Sumitra Devi and Kausalya Devi. Oh Lakshmana, that is why I am asking you to stay back and you have to take care of our Kausalya Mata and Sumitra Mata. Like that Rama is instructing Lakshmana. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Shloka, a Gita Shloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these shlokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita Sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.